Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what we write on a regular basis, you could head to incomeinvestors.com, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. John, thanks to continued strong financial results, CVR Partners LP, traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol UAN, units continued to have a strong year. They hit a new 52 weeks high of $99 on November 4th. It hasn't been all smooth sailing for UAN units or the broader markets in general in 2025. In early April, CVR units took a big hit on concerns about what a trade war could do to the economy. But UAN units quickly rebounded after investors came to their senses.
Well, yeah, CVR Partners posted strong fourth quarter and year-end results, strong first and second quarter 2025 results, and most recently, strong third quarter results. As a, more technical commentary, ammonia demand for the fall application has been strong, and nitrogen fertilizer demand is expected to remain strong for the remainder of the year.
And this helped propel UAN significantly higher since April. As of this recording, UAN units are up 32% over the last 6 months, 42% year to date, and 64% year over year. Now, John, let's get into details. What can you tell us about CVR Partners LP?
America's only petroleum coke-based nitrogen fertilizer producer, CVR Partners, is a limited partnership formed by CVR Energy Inc., and you can look them up on the New York Stock Exchange under ticker CVI. The company is there to own, operate, and grow its nitrogen fertilizer business. Its nitrogen fertilizer manufacturing facilities, which are responsible for producing ammonia and urea ammonia nitrate, or UAN, which is the company's ticker, fertilizers. They're located in Coffeyville, Kansas, and East Dubuque, Illinois. Fertilizer makers like CVR Partners take nitrogen out of the air and combine it with hydrogen, usually from natural gas, in order to make the nitrogen compound ammonia. Now, ammonia is either applied directly in the soil as a nitrogen fertilizer or used as a building block to make other nitrogen fertilizers. On the topic of farming, the demand for corn is high in the US because, in addition to corn on the cob, the crop has a large number of uses, including feed grain and fuel, otherwise known as ethanol.
It reported another solid quarter.
Yeah, it did indeed. In fact, shareholders have to be loving the kind of year that CVR Partners is having. In late October, it continued its year-to-date trend of reporting strong financial results. This included net income of $43 million, or $4.08 per common unit, and that's a significant improvement over the $4 million, or 36 cents per unit they reported in the same period last year. It reported third quarter EBITDA of $71 million, almost double the $36 million it reported in the third quarter of 2024. Net sales, meanwhile, were up 31% at a $164 million.
On the dividend front, it increased its quarterly payout, and this is a mind-blowing number, 237% to $4.02 per unit.
Yeah, now CVR Partners is a great option for income investors, at least when times are good. This cash cow's stated goal is to distribute all of the available cash it generates each quarter. This means its payout will vary due to factors such as operating performance, fluctuations in the price of finished products, and maintenance capital expenditures, etc. Right now, things are going, as you noted, exceptionally well for CVR Partners. After announcing a 105% year-over-year increase in the second quarter, it announced a 237% year-over-year increase in the third quarter. Management declared a third quarter cash distribution of $4.02 per share, up from $1.19 per share in the third quarter of last year. This works out to an annual distribution of $9.09 per unit for a current forward distribution of approximately 10%.
John, thank you so much for your insights. Just so you know, we've looked at CVR Partners before this year, and the company continues to go from strength to strength. It's a cash cow with a strong balance sheet and continues to report solid financial results. That momentum is expected to continue. Management said that the supply and demand balances for nitrogen fertilizer products remain tight, and prices have remained strong through end of the planting season. This positive outlook could help energize its unit and distribution payout over the long term. That's it for today, and make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now, or you can find the link to the website in the description below. We'll be back with more income picks soon, so stay tuned, and in the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.